Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe. Today I want to talk about the AP Hinge AL, that is the AP Hinge aluminum. In the past, we've been using the AP Hinge plastic, and this one essentially just clips on, is great for pivoting, but it doesn't create too much of a sliding mechanism. So we went ahead and added something new to the family, which is the AP Hinge AL, which is the aluminum. This is going to slide into the pipe, and then again we can pivot, but we can also go ahead and now essentially just slide freely. So what this is great for is any type of sliding mechanism, whether vertical or horizontal. Again, we can use the AP Hinge aluminum with the HJ23, which is the example I want to show you today. We also have the HJ12 and then the HJ4, which is going to HJ24 rather, which is going to help you go ahead and spin this as well and slide at the same time. Okay guys, so how does that work? Again, we're going to be able to slide it into place and then going to install whichever one of the connectors you're doing. For today, like I mentioned, it's a sliding mechanism, so very nice and smooth. It comes in effortlessly and it closes back effortlessly. Okay, so in the past we would maybe use some kind of a drop down type of a table to gain a little bit more space here. So now we thought, why not use the AP Hinge aluminum with the HJ23s to be able to create this type of mechanism again. So again, real quickly, I just want to show you. We'll go ahead and take these out and just show you real quick here what's happening with that slide out drawer. Okay guys, so what we have is basically a drawer, if you will, fixed on this particular side, and it's creating that sliding mechanism. And then we want to go ahead and use one of these flipped on the other side so that we can have both of them slide and both of them be fixed. Now, if I want this to just slide and not drop down on me, basically I'm going to want to go ahead and fix the fixed side to the fixed pipe with a self-tap metal screw so that this one can still slide, but it's not going to want to go ahead and drop down on you because it's going to be fixed to this particular one here. Okay guys, so that's the takeaway there. If you need to, go ahead and make sure to put those self-taps if you want to go ahead and keep a nice straight line. Okay guys, so that's the HJ23. And like I said, great for drawers, doors, anything that needs to be slid in and out. That type of mechanism would be works really well with that. Okay guys, so that is the AP Hinge aluminum, and take care, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with it. So I'll see you guys next time.